Do you ever wonder, when people come across a topic or story that interests them, they often want to know more. And when they want to know more, they begin with, I wonder. Jake takes out his family's recycling every week. He thinks,
I wonder how much recycling has reduced the amount of garbage in landfills.
As Mickey watches the latest animated movie, she wonders, how can I learn how to make movies like this? Roger is looking over applications for colleges and financial aid. He wonders,
which college has the best engineering program for the most affordable tuition?
Jake, Mickey, and Roger each wondered something. To find answers, they each did research in different ways. In newspapers and books. On the internet. Or by going directly to the source. Do you ever wonder? And when you do, where do you find the answers?